Hello, we are Incredibles. How are you both?
Hi, we are
Good,
great.
amazing.
So, how was your last activity and last weekend?
It's good, it's awesome.
How about you, Nadinji?
Yes, yes, it's great.
So, last time, if you remember, we did the outcome activities. We find out some outcomes for ourselves. So, would you like to share your outcome, Hemaji? What outcome you decided?
Yeah, I decided I open NGO, my NGO in a 30 days. That is my outcome. And I also I will become more get client 50 clients in a 1 month.
Great, great. So, Nadinji, what is your outcome? At least share one outcome because we will be concentrating on one outcome today.
Yeah. Actually, I wanted to finish my book. I'm writing a book on health and wellness, so I want to finish that book. And the second outcome is the real estate, the natural farming, like the real estate
Okay.
business.
Fine, great, great to know. So, in this next process, the next step is Incred process. In this process, like we are going to uh, analyze our outcome, whatever we have decided, in a detailed way. I will explain you the process, what it is actually. So, having an outcome gives you an ever motivating purposes. However, just having outcomes is not enough. You need to have Incred process. Having an Incred process is about to having clarity about where you want to be in an area of life. They provide direction and focus, and as you know, are necessary for continued lifelong learning and growth. It is helpful to ensure that your outcomes are fit for purpose. The Incred model outcome outlines some simple guidelines that you can use for setting effective outcomes in the key areas of your life. Okay, so Incred, I will explain you what Incred is in detail. So I stands for intelligible. Keep your outcome simple and focused. Be very specific about the outcome what you want. Next, N means navigate. How will you know when your outcome has been achieved? What will be different? How will you measure it? C for challenging. Do you have the desire, skills, and the tools to accomplish your outcome? R means real. The outcome must be achievable. Has someone done this before? E for exact. State your outcome as if it's already achieved. This trains your unconscious mind to accept the outcome as real, which helps you to move more effectively towards it. What date is it going to be get done? T for do it. You know everything you need to know what you are waiting for. Do it. Make the commitment about achieving your ultimate outcome. So in the end, when we process this outcome through this system, in the end, we have to say this, I commit to achieve this outcome. So in this, is it everything clear to you, or shall I give one example of Incred outcome?
Yes, please give me a one example. I
Yeah,
will
like
get with more
suppose,
clarity.
yes, yes, yes. I'll give you an example. Like some, we have heard from the people, they say, I want to lose 10 kgs of my weight. But something is missing in this. So Incred outcome, how you can write is that I want to reduce 10 kgs of my weight, say suppose in 3 months, so 30th of June, by 30th of June, by following particular diet and going to gym for 3 days in a week. So this specifies each and everything things very clear.
Yeah, understood.
Clear to you both?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
I understood.
So in this, now we will craft whatever outcome you have. We have to craft it as an Incred outcome by going through a system that which I have explained just now. So you will fill up a worksheet that will help you to craft the ultimate outcome in an Incred format. The purpose of activity is to help you to make the ultimate outcome achievable, measurable, time bound, and practical. So it involves two steps, which you will do in the worksheet, which I will share with you in few minutes. The step one includes fill up an Incred worksheet by answering the questions about your outcome for each of the Incred section. Like what I explained, it will be having some questions and you will be able to fill it easily. Step two is write down your 6 baselines in front of each and write down how it's being satisfied by your ultimate outcome. So this is the activity I'm sharing it with you in the hub. You do it. I'll give you 30 minutes time to finish this activity and then we will meet after that.
Okay, okay. Done. Thank you.
Welcome back. So you are done with your activity?
Yeah.
I think it was a good enough explanation was given, so you might have done it. So I would like you to share in the end, you might have written one Incred format statement for your outcome. Can you please share that Incred statement with us?
Yeah, I can. Wait. My Incred statement. I want to coach 50 people by 30 June 21.
Very,
And I can measure my process by number of conversions.
very good.
I'm setting it now so that I can achieve it and I will help me achieve others outcome like a successful. Deadline is 30 June and it's realistic. This
Thank
is
you, Himaji, for sharing this. Nadimji, would you like to please share this, your outcome in Incred format? You are on mute.
I wanted to finish my book by 30th of this month, okay, and I wanted to publish it in Amazon and NotePress and all this. So
Mhm.
I have completed all my chapters.
Great. So I will ask both of you one by one. What did you learn from this process so far?
Uh, I,
I
uh,
okay, Nini, you said.
yeah. See, I have learned that when we combine, we change from N codes to E codes. There's a lot of power, and when we work with the baselines, there is a very freedom because this is what I want. Whatever I'm doing, this is for myself. Okay, and then third is the timelines and the clarity in whatever we are doing. We
Correct.
don't give the clarity, so that's where we're not able to do. Suppose I want to lose weight, I say I just follow a diet and exercise, I'm not going to get the results. When I have a clarity, I'll do this, I'll do this. By this time, I'll achieve something. Then it's a very measurable, achievable goals. So thank
Yes.
you, Ashaji, for giving this system.
You are doing everything. I am just helping you. So,
Right.
Himaji, what did you learn from this process?
I learned this process because this is the time and tested first thing. Whenever your outcome is specify, you understand what is your challenges, what is your difficulties, what is your solution. That is I understand. I got clarity in this
Okay, good,
process.
good, good. So since we have done this detailed analysis about our activity and we have connected them with our baselines, next activity comes to the challenges, which will help us to analyze our challenges in detail and what are the inputs we have. So in this activity, you will think about possible encodes and other challenges that work out for the process to get them out of their way. Outcome of this activity will help you to consider possible hindrances, including encodes, and get rid of them. Steps, it includes 2 steps. Number one, think of encodes that comes to you when you think about achieving the ultimate outcome and convert them into e-codes. And step 2, write down the challenges and the possible ways to work on them. So again, like whatever encodes are coming to your mind, just write down on a piece of paper and related, as we learned earlier, convert them into e-codes. And in the challenging activity, you have to list down the possible reasons that are stopping you to achieve those outcomes, the solutions, possible solutions of it, and the difficulty level. This will again help you to analyze it in a much deeper way. So I will give you 10, 10 minutes time to do this encodes and challenging activity, and then we'll meet again.
Yes, yes.
Hello, welcome back again.
Hello.
So how did you feel doing this exercise?
Yeah, it's good. I got more clarity. Found I found solution. That is how to I will be achieve my outcome. That is
Yeah. So Hemaji, would you please share few challenges which you faced while doing this for
yes,
your outcomes
yes.
and their possible solutions you could thought of?
Yeah, I will. I will. My challenges. First, my challenge is language barrier, and solution. I can practice speak English more often. I can eventually learn. And difficulty how to approach good tutor. Yeah, how to approach someone to teach me. That is my difficulty. And second is uh, where will my client come from? And solution, invest good money in running my campaigns to uh, get good client. Difficulty, I don't know, I'm not savvy person, so I don't know how to approach someone to take care my all things. Yeah, it's also learn my
You
it's
need to
not,
learn that
yeah,
technique.
yeah, I need to technical parts which
Yeah.
I back of. Yeah.
So this has helped you to, to think about the solutions also. Now
Yeah,
you
yeah,
can
yeah, yeah.
move ahead with that, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Very nice. So Nadeem ji, would you like to share a few challenges you have related to your outcome you faced and possible solutions?
Yeah. Actually, when I started, wanted to write a book, the challenge was I don't know English, my grammar is not good, and all these kind of things were there in my back of my head. So then I started finding out solutions. I found out there are a lot of softwares out there which can correct my grammar and spellings and everything. So that becomes easy for me. And I found out the solutions.
Yeah. So this way, completing this exercise will help you to achieve your outcome, maybe with with your time within the timeline. What are your timelines? Would you like to please share?
Yeah,
And what
like
are the due dates for your?
yeah, end of this month, that is 30th April.
Okay. For you, Himaji?
My timeline is 30 days.
So I I will say all the best to both of you.
Yeah,
But
thank you.
but but before that, we are going to analyze this outcome in further detail in our next exercise.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
keep your energy up. Keep
Thank
doing the activities like this. I really appreciate your efforts of doing the activities on time. Please appreciate yourself, and we'll meet for further analysis tomorrow for the next session. Okay, bye bye. See you.
Bye.